Jalop jatend piny Rigathi Gachagua Ramogi onge twak mabiro timre kind jatende William Ruto kod ogaye mar Azimio One Kenya Alliance Raila Odinga.
Gachagua lero ni twak manyalo betie en mana maneno kaka Odinga dhi e yueyo kendo were kod weche siasa e yore mamalo.
Jalop jatend piny Gachagua medo ni twak magidwaro en ni mondo Odinga odhi e rutaya kendo chiw thuolo ne sirikand Ruto mondo chop kare singo mane gimiyo jopiny.
Gachagua ni olose boma ma Mombasa kama nopuoyo jodak kuom keto kwe kendo rem tiyo mo ng'anyo kata bedo ni alwora ma kadho nam chumbi en achiel kuom kuonde ma Odinga yudoga e sir malong'o e kinde yiero.
Public servants, trainers of Badari Maritime Academy to ensuring youth employability.
And we are happy that most Kenyans, like the coastal people, have decided that the elections are over. Elections were won and lost, and they have moved on with their lives. As we speak, the Azimio demonstrations have been left in Kisumu and Kibra. And we want to take this opportunity to ask the people of Kisumu and Kibra to call themselves for a small meeting and ask themselves what they have to. When the rest of Kenyans are moved on, you are just there being used by somebody for his own selfish ends. The coast people know more than anybody else how they have been misused. We have told our international partners who are pushing us to sit with Raila Odinga. We have told church leaders who are telling us to sit with Raila Odinga that we are willing to sit with him but not to discuss his forceful entry into government. We are telling our friends that we cannot violate the Constitution.
Obila